Have you noticed something strange? Some of the simplest tasks on internet have become most complicated. You want to edit a document? Sign up. You want to compress a file? Create an account. You want to merge two PDFs? Start a free trial, verify your email, accept cookies, and subscribe to the newsletter. At this point, I'm spending more time accessing these tools than actually using them. And I'm sure you must be facing the same problem. But don't you worry, I'm here with a solution. Think about how often PDFs show in our life. Students use them for assignments and projects, professionals use them for reports and presentations, businesses use them for contracts, invoices, proposals, and documentation. As someone who runs businesses alongside this channel, PDFs quietly show up everywhere. Campaign briefs, vendor agreements, product catalogs, invoices, presentations. The actual work might be exciting, but the paperwork rarely is. But when you suddenly need to make a change, convert a file, or send documents quickly, you realize how important PDF tools are. So I recently tested Joe PDF. It's a free PDF tool that lets you handle a wide range of PDF related tasks without requiring registration, subscription, or ads. You download it, open it, and start working. Which honestly feels refreshing in a world where every software wants to onboard you before helping you. Let me show you a few things it can do. You receive a PDF and you need to make a quick change. Maybe it's a proposal, maybe it's a document someone forgot to update before sending. Normally, that small edit turns into an annoying process. With Joe PDF, you can directly edit the PDF, open the file, make changes, save, done. No complicated workflow. Next one is surprisingly useful. Let's say you are sending a presentation, portfolio, catalog, or report. Everything is ready. You hit send and then you see file exceeds attachment limit. We have all been there. Instead of rebuilding the file or hunting for an online compressor, Joe PDF lets you reduce the file size in a few clicks. Simple but extremely practical. Next one is probably one of the features people use the most. Imagine you're applying for a job. You have your resume, certificate, work samples, recommendations all in separate file. Or maybe you're running a business and you need to combine invoices, agreements, and supporting documents. Instead of sending 5 attachments, you merge everything in a single document. Select files, arrange orders, merge, done. Now let's talk about one of the biggest productivity killers. Someone sends you a PDF, but what you actually need is a Word file, or an Excel sheet, or a PowerPoint presentation. Instead of recreating everything from scratch, Joe PDF lets you convert PDFs in multiple formats: PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to images. This is one of the features that can save hours when you're working with content created by different people using different formats. And finally, a feature that's often overlooked: security. Think about the documents you share: contracts, financial records, internal business files, client information. Sometimes you don't just want to send a document, you want to control who can access it. Joe PDF lets you password protect and encrypt the PDFs before sharing them. It's not the flashiest feature, but it might be one of the most important. And honestly, that's what I found interesting about this software. Not just the features, but the philosophy behind it. We have become used to softwares creating friction, accounts, subscription, paywalls, and endless onboarding. But most of the time, people don't want an ecosystem. They just want to complete a task and move on with their day. It quietly lets you get the work done. And that's exactly this software feels like. So whether you are a student, creator, professional, founder, or a freelancer, chances are PDFs are a part and parcel of your life. And when you inevitably need to edit, compress, merge, convert, or encrypt a file, it's useful to have a tool that can do all of that in one place. I've given the link of Joe PDF in the description if you'd like to check it out. And now I want to ask you a question. What's one digital task that you think should take just 30 seconds, but it ends up taking up 30 minutes of your time? Let me know and I'll try and find out a tool to help you with that as well. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another one with another interesting tool. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.